All right, welcome everyone to the Daily High. I will be your only host, Tone Vase. Matt is in Dubai getting ready for the events and the fight. And we're going right to the charts. Tomorrow, I have a flight to Mexico. I haven't even shown my calendar in forever. Let me go to tonevase.com. Man, there's gonna be a little health and wellness retreat in like a week, and I haven't even talked about it. I gotta make sure it's still on. I will be in Mexico, and I'm staying in Mexico. This is the Merida Bitcoin conference. It's in Yucatan, Mexico. Check it out. Still not too late to fly down there. There's direct flights to that city from Houston and other parts of Latin America. And then I'll probably be on Isla Mujeres. So keep you guys posted. I'll be in Aruba for Christmas. I'll be diving out there. I'll be there with family, but I'll be diving. If you happen to be in Aruba, get a hold of me. We'll go diving, assuming you're diving. And after that, I'm back in Roatan. So I'll keep you guys posted on that. All right, let's go to the charts. Monthly chart, we're a couple of days in. It's promising, but can this month recover all of last month's losses? That's kind of what we need. What we need is to at least get over the purple line this month. And that is 10 more thousand to the price of Bitcoin. We need to close this month above 103, 102, 103. And just to get us above that January high, it would be nice to see Bitcoin close the year bullish. I mean, that's what we really need, right? Bitcoin opened the year at, what was the open? Oh, it's saying it opened the year at 93. So we don't have to go far to close the year bullish. We just have to go up $1,000 to close the year bullish, but that's not enough. That's not enough. I really want to see us above that purple line. So if I go back to the monthly chart, because January was really bullish. This is the month of January right here. So that's where last year closed. I want to see us above that January high. I want to see us above that purple line, and that would make it a decent year. That candle in January was up 10%. And if Bitcoin can close above the purple line, that means that Bitcoin is up 10% on the year, which is, compared to the stock market, it's pretty good. 10%. 10% is always good. It beats the average. Weekly. Today's Wednesday. The week is already looking promising. In order for us to keep the bullish momentum going, we need to close this week, ideally above 93. I want to see us close above last week's high. As you guys can tell, I am bullish right now, but I'm not crazy bullish, and I'll explain why when it comes to the daily chart. This is what I think is the most likely path for Bitcoin. Today is a green star candle, which is good. Now, the green star could also disappear, but for now, we do have a green star candle. Sorry, guys, had to sneeze. For now, we do have a green star candle. I like the fact that we broke the highs of late November, of like the Thanksgiving November. But I'm very skeptical that Bitcoin can break 100,000. I'm a little skeptical Bitcoin can make it to 100,000, but if it makes it to 100,000, I'm very skeptical that Bitcoin can break 100,000. There's just a lot of resistance there, and it will have to exert a lot of energy trying to get there. A lot of these metrics are turning bearish. This channel, which did break to the downside for a bit, we're now back in the channel, is also going to have some resistance for Bitcoin. So let's see. We're already going down. We're already down $1,000 this morning. And yeah, it's not that's not a good looking 5-minute candle. Like, here's market open. Here's why I never trade market open. Again, you can clearly see that Bitcoin is still too low cap of an asset that it's so easy to move the Bitcoin price. It's just too easy to move the Bitcoin price. Longer term, less leverage trades are ideal if you're going to be trading Bitcoin. And let's wait for that 10 a.m. reversal. I will, only be on stream for a few more minutes. We literally fell below 90. We just fell what? Over $1,000 in like 3 minutes. So it's just too easy to push the asset around. You don't need a lot of money to push the asset around. Oh, market open. I got my timer. Market open is in 25 minutes. You're right. It fell half an hour before market open. I never trade in this time period. I never trade. I don't like trading at night. I mean, futures markets are around at night. I just assumed this was market open based on how this moved. I mean, this is how things move at market open. Market open is going to be volatile. It always is. Never trade market open. I always wait till 10 a.m. to trade. We reached the top yesterday afternoon. Wow, we almost hit 94,000. I thought we were at like just broke 93. I didn't realize we went all the way to 94. Hit an MRI top in the middle of the night, US time. See, look, it's going back up already. Yeah, Bitcoin is just too low cap of an asset. It's just too easy to push around. You just got to let these swings go. I mean, hopefully when Bitcoin is $1 million a coin, it won't be as easy to move Bitcoin 1% in 3 minutes, but you never know. Don't have much else to say as it's pre-market open. Bitcoin dominance, I like it. I expected Bitcoin dominance to start rising off the MRI buy back in September. And I expect Bitcoin dominance to break the all-time high. To me, gold is topping this month, which means this month or next month. According to the MRI, if this is a doji candle, then if it stays a doji candle, then it probably this month. Silver is down a little bit this morning. I really would like to see silver reach the cup and handle high of like 62 because I want to short it again. Would suck for silver to reverse right here. That's the ratio. I'm surprised the gold-silver ratio got this low. I did not think we were going to break the gold-silver ratio lows of June. I really expected us to go up and break the highs of the gold-silver ratio. This can still happen. This is still my outlook for gold-silver ratio. I still think gold-silver ratio is going to break the highs. Oh, wow. Look at the MRI top on gold-silver ratio. So that's when it became advantageous to short gold and buy silver. And I wonder if this will reach an MRI buy. That could be a nice spread trade. If this keeps going down, what's the count? What's the MRI count here? Let's see. We got 2 more months. If this makes it to an MRI buy, that would be a beautiful spread trade. You go long gold and you short silver. Because that is a massive percent gain right here. That's 30%. On a spread trade? That's great. It's really good. 30% on a spread trade? That's awesome. Stock market. That's a 5-minute chart. Let's go to the daily. I like this consolidation. I like it a lot. That's a very bullish consolidation. It sucks that the MRI top is on the daily is close. You can see what happened the last time we hit an MRI top on the daily. We pulled back, and here's another top on the MRI daily. That's also a pullback. Very, very bullish V recovery. And this looks good. Definitely helps Bitcoin. Would love to see the S&P break out. All right, I'm taking 1 or 2 requests. I got 4 more minutes. Tone, if we rally and get rejected around the 102, 108 range and roll over, what price will you be full-blown bear? Oh, wow. That's a good question. We have to go to new lows. So I would be if we make it, I would be a full-blown bear below 90. So if the price breaks out above 102, well, it doesn't matter if it breaks out above 102. Like it doesn't matter. So if I think we're likely to get rejected at 100, but if we go up and we go into this area, it doesn't change anything. Like, it doesn't matter if it gets rejected at 100 or at 108. Well, 108, it depends on when. If it's at 108, like back here somewhere, it will be different. But a rejection off of the 50 period or the 200 period or the 128-day period or the MRI resistance line, like all of this is the same. Like all this resistance is the same. So it doesn't matter where we get rejected. I become a full-blown bear probably below 90. Below 90, below 88, like these lows. So I'm going to draw a red box. This is a total disaster zone. This is a complete disaster zone right here. Should make this a red box. I think it's very unlikely that Bitcoin goes below 70. I mean, we barely avoided this crash to 70. Barely. We got just lucky yesterday. And now it looks like we have some momentum. And if we can make it into the hundreds, I think we're in good shape, because I think that there will be massive support at 90. And also, time helps Bitcoin. The more time passes, the more it helps Bitcoin. More people get used to it. More people get used to the volatility. More people get in. I'm only a full-blown bear at the top when you have exponential growth. And none of this was exponential growth. This is exponential growth. And 2017 was exponential growth, even more so. But I'm not bullish here. I know I was wrong, but I'm not bullish there. And I wasn't bullish up here. And I'm never bullish over here. That's my... Sorry. I'm never bearish up here. I'm very bullish over here. I was right on that one. Very bullish over here when we break the prior highs. And this is why I'm bearish gold and silver right now, because exponential growth. I'm on the logarithmic chart. Exponential growth. Exponential growth. I'm bullish here. I'm bullish at this new all-time high. I'm not bullish at this new all-time high. There's a difference. Silver, same thing. Exponential growth. Look at that. I'm bullish over here. Not bullish up there. Bullish here in September 2010. Not bullish in February 2011. I'll tell you that much right now. Same thing. I haven't been reading Martin Armstrong's blog, unfortunately. I just haven't had time. Yeah, it looks like there's going to be a full-blown global war soon. Looks like U.S. is going to bomb Venezuela, too. Tesla looks good. I think I mentioned it the other day. Tesla looks bullish. All right, guys. I got to get going. Thank you all for watching. See you all on the next one. Bye, guys. I talked about MSTR yesterday. Check out yesterday's video. Nothing's going to change today.